Before you move on through this course and begin learning about penetration testing in the Metasploit framework, I'll provide some brief guidance on how to use this course to your advantage. Then, a quick wrap-up. You're probably eager to get started. Here are some quick thoughts on how you can use this material to aid with your learning. Please be aware that penetration testing is a broad topic. There are a lot of tools that a penetration testing professional must know. The Metasploit framework is only one of many tools in the toolbox. This course is intended to start you on the path to learning more about penetration testing using one of the primary tools that you'll need to know. This is an introductory course, so our focus is narrow. In our initial use of the Metasploit framework, we are focused on service-side exploitation. We take advantage of vulnerabilities in network services to gain access. Our discussion and demonstrations focus on that form of exploitation. However, there are several other attack techniques that I will describe. For everything that I discuss and demonstrate, I will attempt to provide introductory level explanations. Some of this might be obvious to you, but not everyone. Please be patient if it seems that I spend a lot of time on explanations and supporting details. Even though this is an introduction, I'll help you install an operating system, describe detailed technical attacks, and demonstrate some sophisticated tools through the command line. Some amount of technical knowledge is helpful. For some Pluralsight courses, you can skip around the material. However, this course is designed as a learning path to be consumed from the starting module through to the last one. This is because each module builds a foundation for the next one. Skipping around may lead to confusion. I mentioned installing an operating system just now. We use a Linux distribution called Kali Linux. It contains all of the tools we need for this course. I show you how to run it in a virtual machine, so there's no need to create a dual boot system or wipe out an existing system to use it. Having Kali to experiment with is invaluable though. Experience is the best way to learn. Every command that I use is listed and explained before demonstration. I also show you how to find help documentation. Study and experiment with those commands. Finally, have some fun. In this module, I spent some time introducing the concepts of penetration testing and hopefully got you excited about this course. Before we got too far into the subject, I talked about the ethics associated with the powerful tools that we will be using. Remember, the tools in this course can have consequences when used inappropriately. Make sure that you have permission and acknowledgement of the system owner before running these tools on real systems. I identified some codes of conduct for penetration testing and information security. We talked specifically about both the EC Council's and the ISC Squared's Code of Ethics. While there's no formally approved standard for penetration testing, the Penetration Testing Execution Standard is a great resource created by real practitioners. Finally, I discussed the components and terminology for the Metasploit framework. We also looked at some of the utilities and changes to be aware of. Metasploit is a continually evolving tool, so we need to stay on top of those changes. Now let's move on to creating an environment in which we can use the Metasploit framework.